Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is you and your person's reading, and they are also general readings, so they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So, and yeah, on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, but you can swap the characters according to your situation and take your sides as the story resonates with you, if it does, and then will be the most likely outcome. Okay, so let's see what's there on your side. The Page of Pentacles, your person, the Nine of Pentacles, and the most likely outcome. Two cards have come: the Ten of Swords and the Hermit. Let's see. I'll be taking the clarifiers though, but to start with, on your side we have the Page of Pentacles. So basically you want a, your eyes are totally focused and glued to this person, so you find this person as your somebody whom you perceive as somebody who is stable, who is long term. You are attracted to this person, you are glued to this person, okay, and your eyes are sort of focused on this person, and you want a new beginning with this person. You want a beginning, okay. Here with the Nine of Pentacles, your person is focusing on themselves. They're taking their time on their own. They're focusing on their self-worth, their self-esteem, sort of they're rejuvenating from perhaps the past hurts. It's sort of they're taking a vacation or a break to rejuvenate themselves. It is a break which is taken um, focusing on themselves. They're sort of regaining the actually the thing is, what the vibe here is, this person needed this break. It is a much needed break which this person needed, and this person is now totally focusing on themselves, and they're just sort of rejuvenating themselves, healing themselves, okay. It is something like that. They're giving that, they're enjoying those abundances or the luxuries or time off to heal themselves from something, and to uh, so sort of build themselves up back, okay. It's something like that, okay. So they are taking their time off, and your eyes are glued to them, and you want a new beginning with them. And as far as the outcome over here is concerned, with the Ten of Swords and with the Hermit, you feel knocked off or betrayed or hurt because of some reason. But it is the final thing. You have to get up after this situation. It's, but what I'm getting here is that you, in the mutual outcome over here, the most likely outcome, you're trying to look within and find answers within for something which has bothered you. That's what I feel. There has been something which has bothered you, and you felt betrayed or dashed or hurt, whatever it was a painful condition, and you are trying to look for the answers within as to either how to come out of it, or how to heal yourself, how to come out of it, or how to deal with this situation, what to do about it. That is what you are trying to find answers within yourselves over here of this hurt, whatever this hurt is. But you feel totally knocked off and totally betrayed. You're very, very hurt. And what the energy which I'm getting is, you are totally sort of you feel as if you're lifeless. You don't have the guts to get up. But the thing is, you're trying to find answers within as to how this thing should be sorted out, how should you regain your power, either, or how you should deal with this betrayal, or this, it's not betrayal, it seems to be self hurt basically. You've been hurt because of something. I don't see it as this person. If it is, it can be. But you are trying to solve it somehow. You're looking for the answers within to solve it, to how to come out of this negative energy basically. One more thing is, you know that you have the star with you. You know that you have a opportunity with you, but you're not able to come out of this. I think that is why you're not able to take any action. That's what I feel. Let me see what are the clarifiers. Let's see what's. We have the Chariot, we have the Eight of Wands on your side, the Chariot, the Eight of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Let's see what's there on your person's side. We have the Strength, the Sun, okay, and the Five of Wands. Okay, let's see what is the most likely outcome. This world has come out. I'll keep it back. I'll just see if it comes out again. Most likely outcome. Okay, so we have the Six of Cups, we have the Knight of Cups, and we have the Justice. Okay, so we've already seen the. I saw the Page of Swords also in because it had turned upside down, upside while I was shuffling the cards, and I had seen the World card also, which had popped out. So I will take that into consideration if needed. So on your side we have the Page of Pentacles. So your eyes are totally glued to that person. I've already told you that. And what I feel here is that things will pick up pace. You will take action. You will take action. There is a lot of communication from your side towards with this person, and what I feel is you will take the control of this situation in your hands, and you will move pretty fast once you are able to balance the situation. You are trying to balance something in your mind. Either you are trying to weigh the pros and cons or whatever it is, but action will be taken. You will take the control of the situation in your hands. There will be a lot of communication. You will be communicating with this person, and what I feel here is that this communication will help you to move away from the emotional turmoil which is going on within you. It will give you peace. It will give you peace. Okay, with this communication, and once you are able to take that action and start communicating with this person, it is going to give you a lot of peace, and maybe it will be it will help you to solve these tensions and this hurt feelings which you have within you. It will give you peace. Okay, and as far as your person is concerned, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Strength, the Sun, and the Five of Wands. So these two are the major arcanas, and here the Chariot is a major arcana. So what I feel here is that this person is using a lot of strength in this situation. They have been perhaps waiting for this for a long time with a lot of patience. They are determined in this situation. They want this happiness. They are determined. They are focused, and they've been trying for it for a long time perhaps, but it is requiring a lot of strength on their part also to deal with the situation. So they are using a lot of strength, and what I'm getting here is this strength is about healing themselves also and moving towards happiness. They want happiness. They're focusing on themselves, using a lot of strength in this situation. If whatever the situation is demanding, and a lot of patience, determination for this happiness. Okay, they want happiness. They will be happy once this decision is taken from your part. And with the Five of Wands, there is some sort of conflict, though it is not that big, but there is some conflict which is still going on in their mind. Some sort of confusion, some sort of conflict. Maybe they really don't know what to do. some sort of confusion is going on their in their mind regarding this relationship. That's what. There's some issues in this relationship perhaps, as for now, that they're confused because of something. Okay, that doesn't seem to be a major issue, but yes, there is something which is going on in their mind, which is confusing them or upsetting them or whatever. And here with the cards, I told you I've seen the world card, which means a new chapter, a major change is going to happen. With the page of swords, I'm mentioning them before I forget. Okay, and with the page of swords, again the pages, it's a beginning. You have the clarity, they have the clarity of thought, you have the clarity, and the air is being cleared if there is any confusion, and a fresh beginning is there. With the world card, it means a new chapter, a completion, and a new chapter is lying ahead in your life. And as far as these cards are concerned, again with the Six of Cups, it is the reconciliation. So this is what you want, this is the reconciliation. Maybe there has been a time when you were not talking to each other, or there has been some gap of communication, or you have not seen each other from a long time. It can be anything, but there is a reconciliation which is coming in. And here with the Knight of Cups, you are moving happily and offering your emotions to this person. So love is being offered and justice is being served, and some truth is being revealed. So this is the truth perhaps which you will be speaking to the person once you are able to, that yes, you want a relationship with them. Perhaps with the reconciliation here, you want reconciliation, you're moving towards them and offering your love to this person, and this is the truth perhaps which is being revealed to the other person, and justice is being served over here in some way, because maybe this is the thing which is confusing them, that maybe they really don't know you love them or you don't love them, because here they are not we are not communicating, they are taking the time off, they are focusing on themselves. So over here what I feel is that action has not been taken, and because of this it's been a lot of patience on their part, that they've been waiting for something over here and they want happiness, and that is the source of confusion. That's what I feel. And whatever the reason here is has hurt you, and you've been working on it, trying to find a solution, but this is the ultimate thing, that you want reconciliation, and you are opening up and offering your emotions and opening up with your emotions, and this is the truth perhaps which they are waiting for, and this situation is being balanced, justice is being served in this situation. And this is your own card, Librans. Justice is your card. Okay, so I think you will be able to balance this situation this time. Let's see what is the message from the universe for Librans. Focus on love. Look on the good. Look in for the good in everyone. Number 24 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Okay, so focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. So basically, if there has been something in the past, what I feel is that which has been troubling you, which made you feel sort of hurt and betrayed, or whatever the situation was with this person or with some your past experiences, you need to focus on love. That's what I said, that once you start communicating with this person is this communication will heal you. You will come out of this turbulence, emotional turbulence, and you will move towards peace. Okay, that is what is coming, and you need to look for the good in everyone. Maybe if you have some experiences which are bad with this person or with other people, then you need to realize that there is good also in everyone. So that is what you need to focus on the good aspects, focus on what the positives are in this situation. Or if somebody else has harmed you or hurt you, then you need to understand that there are good people in the world, not necessarily everyone is bad. Okay, so and you need to focus on the positive thing, and you need to focus on the love, because that is going to heal you. It is coming off as the healing, because here it is the dragon again, which is has magical powers of healing. Okay, so I think this love is going to heal you, Librans. Go for it. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.